This incredible recipe protects the kidneys from uremic toxins. This food lowers uric acid, and this remedy is the fastest way to lower your creatinine levels. Catherine here. I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for almost 10 years now, and today I want to show you 5 of the most powerful ways to get rid of toxins while improving kidney function you can find. We are going to start one of these most powerful good habits every morning for 5 days with just one goal in mind: completely stopping kidney disease progression. The way we are going to do this is quite straightforward. There are certain toxins and scores that are known to damage kidney function. These include uremic toxins, uric acid, creatinine, and more. During the next 5 days, we are going to take care of them one by one. Let's start our 5-day with this incredibly powerful kidney reviving smoothie. This smoothie is probably one of the most powerful detoxifiers in the world when it comes to getting rid of uremic toxins. The ingredients can bind to uremic toxins in the intestines, reducing the number of waste products that filter through your kidneys, all thanks to an incredibly powerful ingredient. This powerful detoxifier is activated charcoal. We just need our trusty blender and 6 super healthy ingredients. Let's see them very quickly. First, cucumber. This veggie has a refreshing taste and will add some fiber to our smoothie. Fiber is key for kidney health. Second ingredient, almonds. Almonds are amazing. They are one of the best sources of magnesium available. Magnesium fights high blood pressure, lowers inflammation, and fights diabetes. Next ingredient, lemon. One of the healthiest fruits in the world, but so many people only drink the juice and discard all the best parts. The seeds that have powerful antibacterial properties. The pith, incredibly rich in dietary fiber, and the peel, probably the healthiest part of the lemon, a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients. We are going to put all that in our smoothie. And also frozen berries. They are just super healthy, even better than fresh berries. Now 2 ingredients with even more powerful health promoting benefit: activated charcoal, a powerful detoxifier. And also psyllium husk. This one is pure soluble fiber, great to fight cholesterol and diabetes. Okay, let's see how to make it. You can see the ingredients on screen. We are going to put in the blender the almonds, berries, cucumber, and lemon first. After around a minute of blending, let's also add the psyllium husk and activated charcoal. Ready to drink! This smoothie is a wonderful way to start the day. It is so rich in vitamin. Speaking of which, many people don't know this, but most kidney patients are deficient in 1 or more vitamin. We absolutely want to avoid this. So during the 2nd day, we are going to focus on how to lower proteinuria levels. And we can do this by avoiding a dangerous vitamin deficiency. 2nd day, take care of vitamin deficiencies. According to study, 84% of people with kidney problems have low vitamin D levels. This causes proteinuria, cause of kidney damage, and can also directly damage your bones, teeth, cause depression, and even increase risk for death. Not to mention that there is also a proven association between low serum vitamin D levels and a faster decline in kidney function. This is why, if kidney health is your priority, you need vitamin D. Vitamin D is considered the kidney vitamin because vitamin D can significantly reduce the severity of proteinuria among patients with CKD if supplemented correctly. Proteinuria is one of the most important indicators of kidney health. Reducing proteinuria means directly improving kidney function. Guys, when you start to get your vitamin D levels back in the right range, you are going to feel immediately better. And your kidneys too. And many people ask me, how can I find a multivitamin that really helps the kidneys? There aren't many multivitamins made with the needs of kidney disease patients in mind. This is why on my website newhopeforkidneypatients.com you can now find the only multivitamin supplement made from a kidney patient for kidney patients. This is Reynaldi Plus. Robert, the owner of this brand, is a kidney disease patient and an internationally known kidney health expert. He has helped thousands of people taking better care of their kidneys thanks to products like this one. First of all, you should never take vitamin D without also supplementing vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is an incredibly powerful way of helping kidney health. It can actually tell the body to put extra calcium in the bones and not in the vessels or organs. And you can find it already in this supplement. Just like vitamin B12, another very common yet dangerous vitamin deficiency many patients are going to face, B12 is also needed in combination with folate to fight anemia. Now, the other reason why I'm recommending this supplement is selenium. Recent study links supplementing this mineral both to a rapid increase in GFR and also a whopping 13% decrease in creatinine that was obtained in just 6 weeks. Yes, there's a link between low serum levels of selenium and impaired renal function. So guys, take a look down in the description if you are considering trying this multivitamin. Okay guys, so in the first day, we took care of uric acid levels. During the second day, we lowered our proteinuria. Today, third day, we are going to take care of another waste product that damages the kidneys, excess uric acid. Why should you be worried about uric acid? Never underestimate the danger uric acid poses. This toxin can crystallize inside joints and organs, causing pain and kidney damage. 1 out of 10 people with chronic kidney disease have gout, which is caused by uric acid, but many more than that have uric acid levels out of control. It's a common problem in patients with chronic kidney disease. The kidneys are supposed to get rid of excess uric acid, a waste byproduct. When they can't, this toxin builds up and it may cause serious problems. This is why every kidney disease patient should be aware of this and should keep their levels under control. Question: what's the most effective way of getting rid of uric acid levels? This time we are going to benefit from a very efficient way to get rid of excess uric acid in the body you may not know about yet. This is turmeric. Turmeric is your best friend when it comes to fighting chronic forms of pain. This superfood has shown incredible pain relieving properties, and it's also a great way to fight the inflammation in the body. What not many people know about turmeric is that it can be a lifesaver when it comes to lowering uric acid levels. Yes, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can reduce uric acid levels and protect the kidneys. This is what several studies found out. Now guys, if you want to try turmeric as a way of improving kidney function and detoxing uric acid, consider that you always need to pair it with black pepper. This is why my recommendation here is to try a golden milk. This is an ancient recipe that can be modernized by adding other healing ingredients such as ginger for a more powerful anti-inflammatory effect, and even coffee to make it even better against uric acid. More about this recipe in my video up here. And this golden milk is great to improve kidney function. And there is one thing that can improve kidney function even faster according to several studies. This is a key mineral that so many people are deficient in. Unfortunately, having low levels of this one is linked to high blood pressure, inflammation, phosphorus imbalance, and even a faster progression to end-stage renal disease. To avoid this and to detox your body from inflammation, the fourth day we are going to focus on magnesium. Fact: magnesium is essential to preserve and restore kidney function. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is a common yet dangerous one, especially in people with kidney problems. Having low levels of magnesium is associated with high blood pressure, inflammation, and high uric acid levels. What many people don't know is that supplementing this mineral may actually save your life. If you are having muscle cramps frequently or troubles focusing and sleeping, magnesium deficiency could be a cause. Luckily, you can supplement this essential mineral and get a ton of benefits. In particular, a recent study linked increased magnesium intake to lower uric acid levels. Researchers think that it may be due to magnesium's ability of reducing inflammation in the body. Yes, magnesium is a powerful detoxifier. Some of the best foods rich in magnesium are nuts, especially almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts. Seeds, especially flax, pumpkin, and chia seeds. Make these foods regulars on your table. But we must also notice that nuts and seeds are too rich in phosphorus or protein to be consumed in abundance. And while eating them in moderation can really help, some people will also need to supplement magnesium. Okay guys, it's 5th and last day of our detox, and we are going to take care of the heavy metal that is considered the most dangerous for the kidneys. Poisoning caused by this heavy metal is linked to irreversible damage of the kidney. This is really worrisome because modern society exposes us to huge levels of this dangerous heavy metal. I'm talking about cadmium. There are many dangerous toxins out there, but cadmium seems to be the one we should pay more attention to. Cadmium has a half-life of 10 years, so it's really difficult to remove it from the body once it's there. And even worse, 50% of total body load of cadmium is in the kidneys, making this heavy metal a real danger for our kidneys. Question: how do you detox the kidneys from cadmium? Since removing this heavy metal once it's in the kidneys is not easy, our best strategy here is to avoid exposure. Now, the cause for the most exposure is cigarette smoking. Cigarette smoke contains high levels of cadmium, so stop smoking if you are, and also be careful with second-hand smoke. Be also careful if you live in an industrial area, as some industrial processes release cadmium into the air. Food is another cause of exposure. The worst offenders here are shellfish and organ meats, so avoid those foods. Dr. Pizzorno, one of the most respected naturopaths in the world, developed a 3-step dietary strategy to stop kidney disease that focuses heavily on avoiding toxin exposure. I'll talk about this strategy in my last video. We have also seen what foods, remedies, and good habits can help with cadmium exposure. This video up here if you want to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.